Hey Jaden. Good morning. He just got up. And Jaden just got up. And this is his hair. I just unbraided his hair. So this is how long Jaden's hair is. I don't know why his hair's so thin right here. He be scratching. But anyway, this is Jaden's hair. I unbraided it last night. But we gonna get a haircut. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Can I pause this for a second? Look at mommy. Talk to mommy. Are you ready to get your haircut today?
No.
You not ready?
No, I'm ready.
You don't want your haircut today?
Haircut today.
Daddy say he not ready either. You not ready for your haircut, Josh?
Nah.
No.
It's hard to let it go. But I miss my waves. So.
You missed your waves.
Yeah.
Well, they shall return.
They shall.
This is what I use for a neck brace for him and Janaya on the sink. This is actually, you know, the pool noodle that you use when you go swimming? That's what this is. And then I just take a regular towel, cover it, tuck it under. Like that. So now his neck brace is pretty good. He don't like getting his hair shampooed, I'm not sure. Come on, lay back. He's wanna.
You do everything?
Yep. Here, watch TV?
No, ma'am.
You don't wanna watch TV?
No,
Really?
TV.
No.
No.
You don't wanna watch Blaze?
No, ma'am.
You wanna watch Peppa Pig?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. You wanna hold it?
No, ma'am.
You don't wanna hold it either?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're gonna take it like a champ today, okay.
Baby, stop crying.
If you want it, it's right here, okay? So, we're gonna shampoo Jaden's hair. Ready for the water?
No.
You're not ready for the water?
No, wait for water. No, why? No.
You don't want to kiss it?
No, teeth either.
Is it because it's early in the morning?
No, ma'am.
It's not because it's early in the morning?
No.
It's not? Okay.
No.
Okay. Here comes the water, okay? Y'all see him trying to get to the phone. Look at his little fingers. Okay, so today I'm going to be using, they say you got to shake it because the natural ingredients settle to the bottom. It's Sweethead Naturals, Inspiring Healthy Beauty, Gentle Moist Shampoo. It's rich with moisturizing herbs to nourish and soothe the hair and scalp. Gently cleanses and removes product buildup. It's 8 ounces. It's made with burdock root. And it's, let me show it to you. So this is it. This is actually a local, latest local to my house. She has a website and you can order it online. A little bit goes a very long way. So this is, I don't know if you can see that one. About for just that much in my hand. See that? Y'all see how thin it is? And I usually just pat his head like that. If I just pat his head a little bit. Y'all see that lather already and all I did was this. I'm gonna use this Obia Naturals. It's a really thick cream, but I added oils in it. So I added jojoba oil, avocado oil. What else we add, Jaden? I know I ordered those 2 oils. Put those 2 oils in there. I had like full olive oil, and a couple other oils in there. So it's not as thick as it normally. You see how it's more creamy now? So, because I added my own oils into it, so I just clop it on his head because Jaden's his hair don't like to break down from coconut, not from coconut, I was saying coconut, from conditioner. It takes his hair a while to just break down, so I really put enough in there. This is my first time using this in Jaden's hair, and his hair seems to be softening up pretty good, which his hair normally don't do. I use this wide tooth comb, and I'm just from the tips to the root. It's got a lot of slip because I added those oils in it. See how that was very quick right there. Now take this. It's like a tangle teaser, but I don't use it to tangle his hair. I use it to stimulate his scalp. So I just I don't roll it because I don't want his hair to tangle up. You see yourself in the camera? So I just basically use it to almost scratch his scalp a little bit. Just up and down, back and forth.
Okay.
We're done.
What's done? Doing good.
Yeah, we're done.
Okay, let's do letter sounds. After we do our letter sounds, we'll rinse it out, okay? Ready? W says,
Look.
X says, Y says, and okay, let's rinse you out. Be still, let mommy rinse you out, okay? See, that was easy. That was so easy. That was so easy. That was so easy. Say easy, easy, easy. That was so easy. And this hair actually feels pretty good. It feels really, really nice and moisturized. That's the oils. The Jaden hair has never felt this good. I think it's because I put them oils in that conditioner. You all done? Say, I'm all done.
I'm done.
Say, I'm ready for my haircut.
Haircut.
Are you ready for your haircut?
No.
You're like, I'm just saying what you told me to say, mama. So the barbershop we're going to, you guys, is called Cute Styles. The owner's name is Quincy. And we've been knowing him for several years. He's an amazing barber. Here it is. Doing it nice. Go.
What's up, man?
Hi, Quincy. How y'all doing? So we're gonna be sitting waiting on his turn.
Yep.
You poke at Xavier to the.
Stop. We messed up.
Say hi. Get in the chair.
Put your foot there. Jaden, do this one. Okay.
There you go. See? It's okay. Booster seat.
Hold the phone. Drop it. You big one, okay?
But how he gonna hold the phone with them?
Big boy, all right?
I'm gonna cry today.
See? Doing good, Jaden. Keep your head still.
You're doing good, man.
Big boy, man.
You taking the hair off? You taking the hair off, Jaden?
told Chris he like that to her.
Turn it into a big boy before my eyes. Uh-oh, you got hair on your tongue.
Look up, bro. Look up. Look up. He's right there, okay? Good job. Stay still. Don't move, Jay. Stay still. Stay still. Doing good. Keep your head still. Head still, Jay. Doing good. Keep it still. Doing good, buddy. Keep it still. Get it out your eye. Get it out your eye, Jay. There you go. Nice right there. Stay still, Jay. That line ain't gonna be on fresh.
On your hip and your tongue.
That line gonna be fresh, man. Just don't move. Doing good.
I ain't paying no attention.
You big boy now? High five.
Look right here. Say all done.
Mine dark
Say bye-bye, Josh. Oh my gosh.
Not my beard though.
Xavier, are you ready? Get your haircut.
Making it happen.
Making it happen, huh? Woo! Look at that, Xavier. He's so scary, ain't he? He just keep jumping, just jumping. Jump.
Stop.
All right.
To say goodbye to my head. What's so funny, Xavier? So funny, man.
Nothing.
You laughing at something? What's your mama doing? What's she doing on here?
Just showing the length of your hair that you about to get cut off.
It was also recording you. She was also recording you when you were.
Singing your goodbye song in your hair. I'm surprised you ain't so singing. It's so hard to say
We should do that
goodbye.
again. We should do that again.
Josh.
It's so hard
Let's tell the people how hard it is.
to say goodbye to my head. It's so
He getting his hair cut tomorrow, y'all.
hard
The song they sing is too funny.
Look how long his hair is.
to my head. But I gotta say goodbye.
Oh gosh.
Hey Dad. Hey Mom.
Goodbye. Say goodbye. David grown his hair out for a year now.
It's been a full year.
A full year.
This is a full year. So your hair grows so fast. Look at this.
Full year.
I could put his hair in ponytails.
The only
over
one
his hair.
whose hair doesn't
Look at
grow
this.
so fast is mine.
I know. Yours and my hair grow slow, Xavier.
Mine grows super slow.
Yeah.
This is the only one that grows
Goodbye
super fast.
to the hair.
That's the last video, son.
Goodbye, hair. I'm not gonna miss you.
He said, I'm not gonna miss you.